Welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you are feeling, tired AF, you're in the right place. Every day this month, I'm sharing a simple 10 to 15 minute yoga practice to help you release tension, reset your nervous system, and remember what it's like to truly relax. You don't need to earn your rest. You deserve it. You just have to create the time for yourself. So silence your notifications on your phone, put a calming oil into your diffuser, and let's help remind your nervous system what it means to relax. In today's video, I want to teach you a really simple breath. Breathing is one of the easiest ways that we can relax in any one moment, right? So we're going to make it really easy for ourselves. We're going to do it lying down. It's always easiest to do them lying down. Practicing that way makes it easier to do when you're upright, when you're in the moment, etc. So if you're ready, let's relax. So for today's practice, all you need is a blanket. And this is just to help support your knees. It's easier to do breathing with your knees slightly bent than lying flat. It frees up your pelvis, which frees up your breathing mechanism to be a little easier. Okay, so we're going to begin on our backs. And I want you to bring your knees up into your chest, give them a hug, and just let your back relax down, softening your shoulders, just letting go. You can rock side to side if that feels good. We're just loosening up the muscles in the back a little bit so that when we move into our breathing position, we feel more comfortable. And then taking your knees out slightly, you're going to bring them down to the left to your left hand, come back through the center to the right to your right hand. Loosening up the spine a little bit. All right. Come back to the center, grab your blanket, and you're going to place it underneath your thighs, just above the knees. And then laying down so your arms are out by your side, turn the palms up, draw your shoulder blades down your back. If your back feels like it's catching a little bit, just bend your knees and elongate your lower back a little. And extend again, and if it still feels catchy, just keep your knees bent. So the key to a belly breath is actually feeling the breath come down into the belly and letting the belly expand as you breathe in. I know, kind of a duh. But there are a few caveats. So let's just start by placing your hands on the lower belly and begin to breathe in. And notice if you're actually expanding on the inhale. We all have maladaptive breathing patterns as a result of tension, stress, trauma, all sorts of things. And they can show up in a variety of ways. So we're just going to see if we can tap into a true belly breath here. So feeling your breath in your belly, feeling that expansion of the belly as you breathe in. And as you exhale, let your body release. Let it relax. Now another thing you want to watch, as best you can, you want to keep the muscles in the upper torso around your collarbones, in your neck, in your chest. Keep those muscles completely quiet. So it's like you're breathing air in through a straw, and the first place it makes a shift is in your belly. You're not engaging anything above. Keeping everything silent and quiet. Relax. And once you have it down, bring your arms out to the side, turning your palms up again. Feel your breath in your belly. Now it's common to not necessarily find the breath calming initially because you have to think so hard, especially if this is not how you normally breathe. Hang in there. It gets easier. And it is such an important breath to retrain your body to be able to do. Notice if there's any tension in your shoulders or your neck. Any tension you can release, and if you can, let it go. Just take a couple more breaths, noticing where your breath is. Are you getting more comfortable with breathing into the belly? Are the upper torso muscles still soft? All right. Now slowly bend your knees. Roll to one side and just rest on your side for a moment. Feel the calm follow you. So let everything relax here. And then slowly press yourself up, coming up to a comfortable seated position. And just take a moment to notice how your body and mind feel now. Belly breath is a really nice breath to tap into if you're lying in bed and really struggling with falling asleep again. So this breath is very handy. And we're going to add on to it in a few days and make it even better. So if you enjoyed this series, then definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the Tired AF Yoga series. And if you want even more tips, go ahead and sign up for the Tired AF Yoga series email list, and you'll get even more. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.